Okay, watching the CL now. Watch the CL, and yeah, it did qualify for a speed tick setup right at the line, and so I bought it as a speed tick setup, and there's a +5. Didn't talk about the speed tick setup in the event over the weekend. We talked mostly about Rockstar stuff, and the speed tick trade is a very good trade. It's the one that we started all of this pullback stuff with before we even started looking at divergence. So this is the speed tick trade. It notice this hard push down. It hit the line and bounced off of it, and then opened right at 5 ticks above this line. So it just qualified at the open of this bar. So we got an oversold condition, which is required of a speed tick trade, and a speed tick, and a strong push down. So that was the setup right there, was a buy. All right, so the NQ opened and dropped where I got filled, and then popped up and hit my +5. So I'm in, out, and done. All right, so you want to look at this now. A lot of things to go over here. Yeah, NT7's fine. We don't have the Rockstar for NT7, but we do have the indicators that create the Rockstar in NT7, so you can still do it. And yes, we still have, and we do have all of the NT7 indicators are Bloodhound compatible. All right, so we have a strong push, right? We got oversold. We got a Rockstar. Now, I mean a speed tick. Now, I have a particular rule that I use in my trading, and that is if I have a big blue speed tick, if I continue to get speed ticks on the following bars, I look at all of the following speed ticks on the following consecutive bars. I look at them all as just kind of an extension of this big blue, and I don't trade these big blues. So if I get a speed tick, speed tick, speed tick, speed tick, I won't trade any of those, because I'll just see that as an extension of this. Now, all I need is a bar without a speed tick to kind of reset that. So this bar didn't have a speed tick on it. This bar did, so it does qualify for a setup for me. So this bar closed here, opened here with the Rockstar, and immediately backed up to the support, which is where I put my trade on. And then it bounced right back up, and off it went to the races, +5. So I got a Rockstar on, or a naked Rockstar on the CL, and then it popped up, so I shorted the CL as it popped up, so I got a nice fill. Goes +5. So I got a nice push here. There's our speed tick, which is our potential trigger. This Rockstar is the completion of that trigger. I had an overbought condition and pullback alert and a ricochet. So all I had to do is wait for the open of this bar. Now, as soon as that bar opened, this is my favorite. As soon as it opened, it jumped up. So instead of getting scared, I actually love it, because I still have a really strong confluence of events here suggesting this is going to happen. There can be a bit of a freight training effect where the market's still trying to turn, and it's you know, still headed in this direction a little bit before it turns. So if I actually try to take advantage of that freight training when it backs up, if I haven't gotten my order on yet, I might just hesitate a half a second and wait for this, and then get a better fill up in here. So that by the time it's even back down almost to the open or just past the open, as it turned out this time, I was in, out, done, and money in the bank, and now I'm just relaxing and waiting for the next one. Again, backed up, the YM opened, backed up, got a better fill. So I shorted the YM. I'm done. +5. So we had this push up here. No Rockstar, but the push continued. Pullback alert. Overbought. Speed tick, open of this bar, jumped up, did the same thing I did before, took a fill up in here with this Rockstar, and down it went. We got our pullback, and now whatever happens, happens.